Welcome to Cuisine avec Theo. I'm Theo, and today we're going to make a really simple Cantonese dessert called 木瓜椰汁西米露, which means papaya and coconut milk sago soup. In Mandarin, we call this 木瓜椰汁西米露. If this is your first time here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram or Facebook. So let's get started. For ingredients, we have sago, sugar, coconut milk, and papaya. First, sago means 西米 in Cantonese and 西谷米 in Mandarin. For sugar, we call 糖 in Cantonese and 糖 in Mandarin. For the coconut milk, we call 椰奶 in Cantonese and 椰奶 in Mandarin. For papaya, we call 木瓜 in Cantonese and 木瓜 in Mandarin. So first we need to take this papaya first. So first we need to peel the skin off the papaya, and then we're going to dice it into pieces. So you take this carefully. Peel the skin off. Gently. If the papaya is a little bit ripe, you have to be very careful. You have to be gentle, or your papaya will be very easy to be very fragile. You're going to break the papaya. And now we are going to cut the papaya into half and remove the seeds. So first you have to be very gentle cutting like this, because the papaya is quite ripe, so you have to cut it half like this, just gently. Look at this beautiful papaya. Wow, look at this. And then you're going to remove the seeds. Scratch off this, because gently scratch off. And now we're going to dice it into small cubes. So first we need to remove the head and tail. And then we're going to cut it, and then we're going to dice it. So you can see the papaya is like this. We're going to dice it into approximately a piece of mahjong, the size of a piece of a mahjong. So we're going to Okay, so after the water is boiled, we are going to add the sagos. So for the sagos, we're going to add approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of this thing, and then let it cook. Approximately something like this, 2 to 3 tablespoons of this, and then we're going to let this thing cook. So after the 10 minutes here, we are going to turn off the heat and cover the lid and let it set for another 10 minutes. Okay, so after we let it sit for 10 minutes, it looks something like this. So you can see it is transparent. So we are going to stir it a bit. So you can see something like this. It will be transparent. And then after this one, we are going to transfer our sagos to the chilled water. Some ice water is better for that. So you simply just pour all the thing into this, and then it will be separately. Let it sit for a while, then cool down it. And now we are going to make some the coconut milk sauce. So first we need to boil some water, and then we're going to add the coconut milk, coconut cream, or you can say. We add some coconut cream and then stir it. So right now we are going to adjust the sweetness of the sauce. So 1 tablespoon. Okay, so this is approximately 4 tablespoons of the sugar to adjust the sweetness. Okay, so after the sauce is cooked, we are going to tell you how to prepare this beautiful dessert. So first we add some sauce, this one, so beautiful, and then we are going to add the sago. We need to drain the sago first, and then we're going to add this. Okay, so stir a bit, so you can see the color looks like a really nice contrast. And then we're going to add the papayas. Yeah. If you like it cold, you can just simply chill the whole thing for 4 to 6 hours, and then you can serve this beautiful and cold dessert. And your dessert is done. Good job, guys. So right now you know how to cook this this really simple Cantonese soup called 木瓜椰汁西米露. I hope you like what I've introduced you today. Be sure to subscribe and comment below, and I will see you in the next video. 我哋下次見，再見，拜拜。